Here's how to convert AVI to MP3. I use an app called ConvertSave. You can find it at convertsave.com or just click the link in the description. It is a drag and drop file converter. So you drag, drop, select your output, go to MP3 in this case, and hit convert. And that's it. That's simple, right? So it's simple because I wanted it to be, because I created ConvertSave with my brother. He's a software developer. And we're working on this thing. We're adding a lot of new features, but it's an image, video, and audio file converter for Mac and Windows that works offline. So no more going to random websites and wasting all your time uploading and downloading files for these different conversions to who knows where, right? So this does not upload or download. You can turn your network off and your conversions will work because it works with tools on your computer. And basically, I wanted this way to be a lot more efficient, and I hope this is something that helps you in your workflow because it certainly helps me and mine. You can batch convert as many as you want. You can go into the advanced tab here and you can actually see the tool that's being used. You can see the commands that are being passed to the tool to create the conversions, and you can also pass your own commands. So you can do your own custom conversions as well and save them as default even. Maybe you want a certain conversion every time you do AVI to MP3. And you can go into Options Builder if you don't know any of what I was talking about, and you can see some things that are a little more user friendly. I use this as well. Like when we're building out custom and testing the product, I come in here and I start to check mark boxes to add in filters or change volume, things like that. Start time, end time, make sure trimming works, and so all of that creates these custom flags for you that then you can apply and basically save as your own custom command. And when you do have custom commands in there, you'll see a little flag up here. So we want to notify you, probably make that a little bigger, but and probably change the color to something that really stands out. But I want to notify you that, hey, there's a custom command on here, just so you know you've saved one. So anytime you open up ConvertSave and drag this in for specifically MP3, it's going to use that command, which is a good thing, but also you might want to know in case you didn't want to save it for the next time, so that we flag that there. But that's ConvertSave. It's getting a lot more user friendly and a lot more features as we continue to develop it. I appreciate your guys' support. If you want to go check it out, convertsave.com. It's that simple. ConvertSave. It saves it right next to wherever the files came from that you dragged in here. And I've tested over 1,000. So if you want to give it a run with even more than 1,000 files at once, go ahead and let me know. Make sure it works for you. Pretty sure it just matters how fast your computer is at that point. Thanks a lot, you guys. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.